Today we'll talk about how can you create profile on your Square app. We're going to figure out the solution or know how you can do that on your app. So all you have to do, just go down, click here on more down here. So then it's going to take you to this list. And all you have to do, just click on settings. So then it's going to take you to this list here. Then you click here, you click here on hardware here. So then you come to this list, then you click here on printers here. So just click on it, then it's going to take you to this list. Click here on profiles. When you click here on profiles, it's going to show for you a list like this. Click here on create profile. So then here add your profile name, and here can you select your printer defaults here if you want to enable or disable here receipts or in-person order. So this list, if you want to enable it or disable it, then you click here on save, then it's going to save with you. That's all you have to do. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to support us by liking, subscribe.